Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to the second video of the necklace. Before, you learned about Matilda, who was a pretty charming girl, and by an error of fate, she was born into a poor clerk family. And that is why she got married to a minor official who was working in the Ministry of Education. One day, when Mr. Loisy, husband of Matilda, came back home in the evening and handed over an envelope to Matilda, he was expecting that Matilda will be very happy to see an invitation of a grand party included in that envelope. But I told you that you have to find out, will Matilda attend that grand party or not? I know that you must have thought something about it. So let's try and find out what happened with Matilda and that grand party. Okay? So first of all, we will read the next paragraph. And the paragraph is like this. Instead of being delighted as her husband had hoped, she threw the invitation on the table resentfully and muttered, "What do you want me to do with that? And what do you expect me to wear if I go?" He hadn't thought of that. He stammered. Stammered means hakala. He stammered. "Why? The dress you go to the theatre in? It seems very nice to me." So, when Matilda came to know that she had to go to a grand party with her husband, Mr. Loisel, she did not get happy. Even though her husband thought that she will be very happy, but she was not. And why she was not? Because according to Matilda, she had no fancy and rich clothes to wear on that party, and that is why she got upset, she got sad, and she said she will not go to that party. So her husband said, "Look, one day we went to the theater to watch a movie. The dress you wore on that day was very beautiful. You can wear the same dress in this party also. But will Matilda wear that dress or not? Let's see in the next paragraph." He stopped, stunned, distressed, to see his wife crying. He stuttered, "What's the matter? Let's see, Matilda. How much would a suitable dress cost?" She thought for a moment, computing the cost and also wondering what amount she could ask for without an immediate refusal. Refusal means naka. At last, she answered hesitantly, "I don't know exactly, but I think I could do it with 400 francs. Francs is the currency of France. Okay? So, when Matilda's husband told her that she could wear the dress she wore in that theater, she started crying. Matilda रडायला लागली. And when her husband saw that Matilda is crying, he was stunned. त्याला चक्कर यायला लागली. He was distressed, तो नाराज था. And he asked to Matilda, "Hey Matilda, what happened? Why are you crying? Matilda, तुला काय झालंय? Why are you crying?" Okay, let's solve this problem. चला हा प्रश्न आपण सोडवूया. How much a new dress will cost? Matilda's husband asked Matilda. Matildaच्या नवऱ्याने मथिल्डाला प्रश्न विचारला की तुझा नवीन आणि चांगला ड्रेस किती पर्यंत येईल? After hearing that question, Matilda got a little excited. She was happy. And computing in the cost in her mind, she told her husband that she can buy a new dress with 400 francs. मथिल्डाने तिच्या नवऱ्याला सांगितलं की जर तिला 400 फ्रँक मिळाले तर ती एक नवीन छान असा ड्रेस घेऊ शकते. Now we have to see that will her husband give her 400 francs or not. Let's move to the next paragraph. He turned a little pale because he had been saving that exact amount to buy a gun for a hunting summer in the country near Nanatre with a few friends. However, he said, "Very well, I can give you 400 francs, but try and get a really beautiful dress." The day of the party drew near, and Matilda was seemed sad, restless, anxious, though her dress was ready. When Matilda asked for 400 francs, her husband's face was pale. तिच्या नवऱ्याच्या चेहऱ्यावरचं तेज गायब झालं. Why? Because Mr. Loisel was saving that exact amount to buy a shooting gun so that he can go hunting in summer with his friend. तिचा नवरा तेवढेच पैसे खूप दिवसांपासून जमा करून ठेवत होता जेणेकरून तो त्या पैशांनी एक हंटिंग गन विकत घेईल आणि मित्रांसोबत उन्हाळ्यामध्ये हंटिंग करायला जाईल. But her husband was a good person. He dropped the idea of buying a hunting gun. त्याने बंदूक घेण्याचा विचार बाजूला ठेवला and he was ready to give her 400 francs to buy a new dress. He told Matilda that, "Okay, Matilda, I will give you 400 francs. The only condition is you have to buy a very nice dress with that 400 francs." So he gave 400 francs to Matilda. Matilda went to a store, bought a very beautiful dress with that 400 francs and came home. As the day of the party was coming near, coming close, again she was unhappy. जसे पार्टीचे दिवस जवळ जवळ यायला लागले ती रेस्टलेस व्हायला लागली, एन्शियस व्हायला लागली. म्हणजे तिला बेचैन वाटायला लागलं, ती चिंतेत राहायला लागली. Now what is her anxiety? What is the reason of her restlessness? Let's find out in the next paragraph. One evening her husband said to her, "What's the matter? You have been acting strange." Strange means vichitra. "These last 3 days." She replied, "I am upset that I have no jewels, not a single stone to wear. I would rather not go to the party. She could wear flowers, but you could wear flowers," he said. "They are very fashionable at this time of year." So, when Mr. Loisel saw that Matilda was still not happy, she was not happy after buying even a good dress. One evening, Mr. Loisel asked Matilda, "Hey Matilda, what happened to you? Why are you upset now? Why are you restless now?" So Matilda told him that she has no jewels and no ornaments to wear on that party, and that is why she is upset. She wanted some fancy or costly ornament or jewel to wear on that party. Now her husband was not rich enough to buy a new and fancy jewel for her in that little amount of time. So what he said? He said, "In this year of time, flowers are very fashionable. So you can wear flowers on you. You will look very beautiful with the flowers and that new dress. But After hearing the response, Matilda again got upset. She was not convinced. ती गोष्ट मानायला तयार झाली नाही की पार्टीमध्ये त्या नवीन ड्रेस सोबत फ्लावर्स लावून जाण्यास तिने नकार दिला. मग पुढे काय झालं पाहूया. The next day she went to her friend's house and told her of her distress. Distress म्हणजे नाराजी. Madam Forrester went to her mirrored wardrobe. Wardrobe म्हणजे कपाट. Mirrored wardrobe आरसा असलेलं कपाट. Took out a large box, brought it back, opened it and said to Madam Royston, "Choose, my dear." First, Matilda saw some bracelets, then a pearl necklace. She tried on the jewelry in the mirror. She kept asking, "You have nothing else? Why?" "Yes, but I don't know what you like." Suddenly she discovered in a black satin box a superb diamond necklace, and her heart began to beat with uncontrolled desire. Her hands trembled furtherly as she took it. She fastened it around her neck and stood lost in the ecstasy, ati anand, ecstasy, ati anand, as she looked at herself. Then she asked anxiously, hesitating, हिचकिच, "Would you lend me this, just this?" Lend means उधार देने, है ना? So let's try and understand. The next day, दूसऱ्या दिवशी, Madame Loisel means Matilda went to her friend's house, and her friend's name was Madame Forrester. What was her friend's name? Madame Forrester. This is the third character in this story. First one was Matilda, second one was Matilda's husband, and the third one is Madame Forrester. So Matilda went to Madame Forrester's house and told her of her problem. She told her that she don't have any jewels to wear so that she could attend that party. Madame Forrester went inside, took a big box, brought it to Matilda, opened it and told Matilda to take anything she wants from that box. So what Matilda did? First of all, she stood in front of a mirror and then she tried some bracelets. Bracelets, things which you wear around your hand, right? So she tried some bracelets. After trying the bracelets, she tried a pearl necklace. Pearl, moti, मोत्यांचा कंठहार. She tried that pearl necklace also, but she did not like that. She asked Madame Forrester that you don't have anything else. तुमच्याकडे अजून दुसरं काही नाही आहे का याच्याशिवाय? Madame Forrester said, "Yes, I have much more, but I don't know what you like." माझ्याकडे खूप आहे, पण तुला काय पाहिजे ते मला कळत नाही. Suddenly, अचानक, Madame Loisel means Matilda discovered a black satin box. Matildaचं लक्ष एका black satin box कडे गेलं. And in that box was a very beautiful diamond necklace. त्या बॉक्स मध्ये काय होतं? एक खूप सुंदर असा हिऱ्यांचा दागिना होता, हिऱ्यांचा कंठहार होता. She was fascinated. Her hands started to tremble after seeing that diamond necklace. तो हार पाहिल्याबरोबर तिचे हात थरथर कापायला लागले. She stood in front of the mirror and put that diamond necklace around her neck. तिने तो डायमंड हार आपल्या गळ्यात चढवला and she was very happy to look herself in that mirror with that diamond necklace. त्या डायमंडच्या हारासोबत ती स्वतःला जेव्हा आरशात पाहते, तिला तेव्हा खूप जास्त आनंद होतो. That means she liked that diamond necklace very much. That diamond necklace fascinated her. So what she said to Madame Forrester? She said, "Madame Forrester, will you lend me this? Only this?" ती मॅडम फॉरेस्टरला म्हणते की मॅडम फॉरेस्टर, तुम्ही मला फक्त हा हार उधार देऊ शकता का? so that I can wear this diamond necklace in the party. Now, the only question which is arising in your mind is, will Madame Forrester give that diamond necklace to Matilda or not? Madame Forrester Matildaला तो दागिना देणार की नाही, हा महत्त्वाचा प्रश्न आहे. And we will try to find out the answer of this question in our next video. So go through the video again and try to understand the whole story properly, because if you will miss one episode, you will not understand the next. Okay? So let's meet in the next video.